We keep talking about Deutsche Bank cutting back and cutting back and cutting back. Turns out they want to expand as well, and they got 12, I guess, private bankers.
That's right. So where they are looking to expand is really in that wealth management unit. Because when you think about managing money for high net worth clients, very wealthy individuals, that is a steadier revenue stream. So yes, they're absolutely doing a huge overhaul at the bank. They're set to spend $8 billion by 2022, cutting thousands of jobs across trading desks. But one area that Christian Sewing, the CEO, really actually wants to expand is this wealth unit.
And let me point out that for Bank of America earlier, their wealth management unit was up. Their pre-tax margin was 29%. That was up from 27%. So like, yes, if you're in it and you did well, you do well.
Yeah, and who particularly does well are if you're in the business and you're one of the bankers, because they were offering like 40% raises to people. And it turns out they wanted even more people from Credit Suisse, but Credit Suisse had to step up to the bar and say, no, we'll pay you more money than they will.
Right. This shows just how much demand there is for this space of the banking industry. I mean, we have seen across earnings reports, only Goldman Sachs really posted an increase in equity trading revenue. So that is an area we are seeing a little bit of a pullback from.
But what I was interested in is that they're cutting tech spending. And by they, I mean Deutsche Bank. So in the one area where everyone is going to be spending a lot of their money on, they're not doing it. I wonder what that's going to mean.
We heard just yesterday from Jamie Dimon say, well, in order to win, you need to spend. And he was talking about tech spending. You look at JP Morgan and they plunked down about $11.5 billion for their tech expenses. Well, now you look at Deutsche Bank and it's a bit of a different story. They have other focuses, but this is where they're stepping back from, saying that by 2020, we could actually see tech expenses cut by a quarter. That is a very significant amount. And it's just interesting to see at a time when you're seeing this sort of tech revolution at the banks.